Today, we're going to show you how to get started with your vívoactive 4 or 4S. For this video, we are going to take a look at the watch and the charging cable. First, we are going to take a look at the watch. The first things that you will notice are the buttons on the side of the watch and the optical heart rate sensor and charging port on the back. You'll use the buttons to interact with the watch. The top button is used to power on and off the watch, access the controls menu, and start and stop the timer. The bottom button is used to access the menu by pressing and holding. You can press it to go back a screen or to mark a lap during a timed activity. On the back of the watch, you will find the optical heart rate sensor. This is used to track your heart rate throughout the day, during activities, and track your pulse ox. You will also see your watch's serial number and the charging port. Before you use the watch the first time, we recommend fully charging the watch. To charge the watch, simply plug the charging cable into the back of the watch and then plug the USB end to your charging source, such as a computer. And now you're familiar with the buttons and how to charge your watch. For more videos on setting up and using your vívoactive 4 or 4S, visit the vívoactive 4 or 4S page at support.garmin.com.